Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and this video. Today we will be painting another loose landscape, and you liked the last one, asked for more, so here it is. And I did do a tutorial on painting looser flowers, so I'm just showing you how to incorporate those flowers in your landscape and in your composition. So first thing I did is do my sketch, and it's quite simple. I drew just the line where my land is, then the horizon line, and also the line from the distant rocks or maybe some wood or something like that. Afterwards, I've picked up some masking tape and added on top of the paper that is like a foil from the stickers, and then on it just drew a circle, cut it out and glue it onto my paper to mask that circle, to mask a sun. So that's the easiest way. If you do have a masking fluid, you can use a masking fluid, but I do think this is something that everybody has, and it's quite easy to do because it's a simple shape. Afterwards, I pre-wetted the entire paper, then picked up some yellow and painted it just above the horizon line and beneath the horizon line, then mixed in some blue and also some brown color to get this grayish color, and painted in the top part of my sky. As you can see, I'm just avoiding some of the parts where the reflection from the sun is. I'm not trying to make it very contrasty. I'm not going to try to make anything pop in the background, just light transitions between the colors to make that front part, to make those flowers pop. So I did use also green for the ground and some brown to paint in. And as you can see in the finished piece, even the ground is not very detailed. Nothing is very detailed. I left it to dry completely, pre-wetted part just above the horizon line, and then painted it with a mix of a violet, a little bit of the blue, and also brown to get this violetish color. And I didn't even try this part to paint also detailed. It doesn't matter if it is a wood, if it is some rocks in a distance, that's just beside the point. We do need some interest there, but not too many details. So just a little bit more of the texture to the ground. Again, mix using the same colors, green, some brown. And while the paint was still wet, I picked up a little bit of the paint in the part where the reflection from the sun is. I left it all to dry completely and then painted in the flowers. And as you can see, flowers are also not so detailed. I did not try to paint every single petal, details on the petal. Just I do want it to be loose, so I did paint a little bit looser flowers using yellow, and then a little bit of the brown on the bottom part where the root of the flower is, where it just touches the stem, to make that part a little bit different. And also I will be painting a couple of flowers using violet color, just to make it a little bit more interesting. I do not want all the flowers to be completely the same. Also, those flowers are quite loose, so you can paint any shape of the flowers you like. That's definitely something that is fine. Also, a couple of stems with this detail brush. And again, I decided to do a little bit more of the details, just outer lines for some of the flowers, some of those violet flowers, just to make it a little bit more nicer. And a couple of more details, some splatters in that violet and also in yellow color. And then I just added a little bit more of the pigment, that's the mix of green and dark brown, in that left side just beneath the flowers. Afterwards, I've just removed that masking tape I placed on my sun, and then just smudged a little bit on the sun, just to make it a little bit more blended in my sky. A little bit more details with white gouache on top of my flowers, just adding some of the highlights, a little bit more of the splatters. And I did want it to, because when it dried, my distinction between the land and the water just went away, so I decided to add a little line just to make it a little bit more distinct. And with that, I'll be finishing off this painting and this video. I hope you like it. It's quite simple and fun. And if you do like it, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. And well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!